In this video today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix of how to prevent scrapes and scratches on your wood floor caused by your couches. These little plastic tabs are good, but they can also scrape up your floor. A quick and easy fix is using these felt floor protectors. They have a self-adhesive back. What you can do is peel them off and stick them right on there. A quick disclaimer before we get into the video. This video is not sponsored and all opinions are mine. I have also included affiliate links in the video description below of the materials, tools, and equipment I used in this video. What this means is, if you click on a link and decide to make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. With that out of the way, let's get started. Before you do that, you're going to have to clean these surfaces with some rubbing alcohol. So let's get started. Let's open up the alcohol pad, and all you're going to do is just go around it, just like that. Clean it up, just like that. And that's it. Once you have the whole area cleaned with alcohol, just give it a second, let it fully dry. Open up your package, then grab your floor protectors, peel them off just like that, and all you can do is just attach it. There you go. That's it. You're going to do the same thing for the rest of them. That's it. I'll go around again. Just put a little bit of pressure on them. And that's it. The last step is to lower the couches. And that's it. Now you can just slide them back. Just like that. It's quick and easy, and it'll help protect your floors. Thanks for checking out Tricky's Workshop. Until next time, take care.